Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Jonah with Trading the Charts Pro, and tonight guys we're going to talk about Tesla because after market close at around 5 the news broke that Tesla did not make it to the S&P 500. That's not really so good news right around now because a lot of this run up in this price chart was in anticipation that Tesla was going to be added to S&P 500, and that simply means there would be more buying opportunity for hedge funds and all of these, more volume overall would be coming into the stock. Hence people were anticipating that this addition to the S&P 500 would actually push the stock way higher. So the fact that now we hear that Tesla did not make it to the S&P 500, the market is not really liking it. Today, we had Tesla came down as low as 375. I was looking at it. It was a very good price, but I'm like, I'm not ready yet. I want to see this thing comes down to around $337. And at that time, I'm actually looking to start a new position in Tesla because technically right now it's still trading, or before the market closed, it was trading at 418 times 5. So before the split, that would still mean that the stock was, roughly 200 before the 2000 before the split. But now, with the news that broke that hey, they did not make it to the S&P 500, the stock is down 6.45% after hours, guys. So come on Tuesday when the market reopens, it's going to be very interesting because this is not good news for the stock, given that a lot of people was hoping that. But for us persons that have sold at the top or sold somewhere up here, this is very good news. So bad news for someone else is actually good news, because if this stock falls and it comes down to 337, or even nicer, guys, if this thing just for 1 second comes down to around 300, I'm telling you, I'm buying everything that can, because at that price, post pre-split, that would still mean that it was trading roughly around 1500, but because of the split, 300 would be actually still a very good price. And based on the chart, that would actually mean that the push had broken out of the uptrend, actually pull back and come and kiss the support uptrend, which would actually be nice. I don't know if we're going to get that, but if we do, that would be very nice, and I'll be happy. We came down here, touch this horizontal level, but like I say, after hours we're down another 26.99. Come Tuesday when the market reopens, it's going to be very interesting to see if we're down somewhere like about $50. That would be very nice, and that will actually push us all the way back down here, somewhere between the 337 level and side here. So what I'm ultimately saying, guys, is that if you sold your Tesla or you took some profit before, where is a place to start buying back into this stock? Well, I just said the best place is gonna be, you could have started a small position here today, but for me, I'm trying to be a little bit more patient, and I'm actually looking for this thing to hopefully come back to the 300 level, or if we get a pullback to the 337, because this was actually a horizontal resistance level, which at that point the stock pulling this level would means that it come back to the resistance, and now resistance potentially can become support, and the stock can move from there. And I can anticipate that something that was at 500 I got the trade in around 300 levels. That's 190 something dollars potential profit per share. And also, this thing is gonna go, much higher because they haven't rolled out their semi trucks as yet. They haven't fully rolled out their SUVs, and they're rolling out, a lot of AI technology, which is going to continue to create streams of revenue for the company. So that is gonna be all good. So us as investors or traders, we have to, just be patient. Don't chase, and wait for the best opportunity to pick up this stock at a discount, at a price that you feel comfortable owning. Because if I buy down here at 300 and it pulls back to around 265, it's not a lot of pain. But think about it, if you had been chasing the stock and you bought up here 500, and now this thing is going to be again back in 300 range. That's that's a lot of pain to tolerate. So let's just wait, see when the news comes out on Tuesday officially, and the market opens up, see how this thing reacts. It's already down, roughly 100 points from the top. That is still good, but if we can get a little bit more, that'll be great, getting around this 300 level. If we don't, we start scaling in right around here, and as it goes up, you add to your position just in case this thing decide to pull back. You didn't buy everything all at once, and you have a little bit of cash. You can add to the position as it pull backs, and just wait for this thing to return to what it was doing, which is being a beast. All right, guys, so if you like this video, just hit the thumbs up, turn your notification on, subscribe, so that when my next video comes out, you'll definitely be one of the first person to get notified. All right, I look forward to seeing you in my next video.